Hello friends, welcome everyone. Today is with Mr. Amit. Amit is working in defense area and no defense sector. And honestly speaking, he's doing a great service to our nation. And first of all, want to congratulate Amit, for doing such a great job for India and for us, safeguarding us. So welcome, Amit.
Thank you.
So hi, Amit. All good?
All good.
All good. So Amit is there in our hub from last 2.5 to 3 months, and no, it's been quite actively involved, and no, in teaching also, and also is quite active in shuffling his portfolio based on our advice and everything. So, Amit, so how was your experience in Thoughtful Investor Hub? Can you just explain and to the audience and no?
Uh, that's I've been investing in shares for the last 20 years plus.
Okay,
But it was being you couldn't take so much time off. It was off and on with limited knowledge. But my investment plan was always for long term. So whatever I came across, I read something, and all the books also said shares are beneficial for long term. We should do that. But it's our greed to earn money that we just jump in on somebody's advice, do and try to earn quick money, which has set a very bad precedence or wrong name to the entire market. If you say,
correct,
see the word term shares, share itself means you're buying a share in the company.
correct,
If you get your basics right and that misconception is clear, then I had this ICICI Demat account, I tried Zerodha, and few other. I went to private investors or advisors to seek help. Most of the people, whenever I went across, there was nothing continuity. Nobody assured continuity or really a holding hand that you look forward to. Even
yeah,
ICA DMAT, I went to the relationship manager, tried a whole lot of times, but that assurance wasn't there, or nobody was trying to really guide you or help you out.
correct,
Having tried different initially, I invested completely in shares, burnt my hand, then sold all of them, bought mutual funds, there two mutual funds, then bought mutual funds. Then I learned when you have the capability to, if you have certain knowledge and guidance, there is no point giving one, two, or more, giving your ability to manage your money on your own to a mutual fund investor. Because
correct,
everyone has got a limited theme. It's not a mutual fund cannot be tailored to your requirements. So I sold all of the mutual funds, went back. Then it was in Gurgaon. I met somebody with his advice. I went. But again, wherever you went, everyone wanted you to buy shares through their broker, right, left, everything. So everyone had certain things involved. It was the first time when I joined your thing, when I struck last year, March, this year, March, when I met or came across your thing, that it was convinced that it was a clean thing and the advice which was being given. And whatever I've learned from your advice and whatever your basic aim is to teach people to enable them, empower them to invest on their own rather than just give them few things, do this and manage their port, any kind of thing. So it's been a really interesting journey. We get the right kind of advice or suggestion to what to buy. Rest thereafter, you have set the rules of investing, you have covered.
hmm,
The thing which is most important is once you have having gained the knowledge or basics, you know the things is implementation.
correct, yeah,
If you sit and keep thinking over it, finally it's you have learned, you have read a book how to play cricket, read everything, you have all the knowledge which you have to go on the field and practice.
yeah,
That's what
agree,
you encouraged us, and to encourage the fear that we had that we may lose. And the fear was not there to lose because all your recommendation, any kind of thing, suggestions were always based where the capital was not going to be at loss. This safety of the capital was more or less assured.
yeah.
So I was very thankful for all that advice. And within this short duration of 2, 3 months, whatever money I had, I could really channelize in the right direction and achieve so much, which I couldn't in the last 10, 15, 20 years. Though I was able to make short gains, but going in a full throttle and a consolidated way to achieve my aims, that was enabled only with your advice. And side by side, your classes are continuing. It's a ever learning process. We can't achieve your level of proficiency in judging these stocks. As same, your advice is really helpful to us.
No doubt, Amit. thankful for that. But one thing is that see, to as you told very rightly, one thing is learning and one thing is implementing. Most of the people, members, they come, okay, they are learning, attending the sessions, and all, but somehow implementation does not come. But the main thing you have implemented, okay, and follow the rules, okay, that is the most important. As your vision is long term, that is really help you to build a strong portfolio. Correct. And I know so many interaction we had earlier also. I've seen your focus is quite for a long term. Okay, and selecting a good quality and giving a time to a company to let it grow. Otherwise, most of the members they say many are saying no that okay, 3 महीने में कितना भागेगा, 6 महीने में कितना भागेगा. You cannot do like that. Okay, correct. So overall, Amit, how much you invested initially, and now how is your portfolio look like currently?
Uh, ini Initially, I had about 1.1 crore, close to that. Uh, it had consisted of sovereign gold bonds, mutual funds, shares. After having consulted towards decided it, my belief to move out of mutual funds, correct, and gold I kept as a reserve, as a hedge kind of strategy. So I was able to take out my mutual funds, and thereafter I invested them into shares. When I got into the shares, uh, when I saw those mutual funds, I invested those things into shares, and based on the suggestions from your thing and a bit of advice, those things initially within a period of 1 or 2 months, I was able to generate, let's say, 4 to 5 lakh profit. So
Yeah,
this really helped me, which was lying dead. As they say, never
correct,
get married to a stock. I was stuck somewhere, stuck with certain stocks, and stuck in some way mutual funds, which had outlived their performance or utility, which were relevant when this thing was launched. So any mutual fund when it's launched, it has a theme to attract you, and over a period, things lose their focus and they're not relevant in the present scenario.
correct.
Thereafter, I got certain time. We got a thing about 80 odd lakh more. Just a month back, I invested that, and that itself, as your meetings were going on, what time to enter the market, not to enter, withhold, whether to take the step against all odds. I didn't go in for any senior citizen savings scheme, anything, what a kind of thing. It was straight away. I got 80 lakh and 80 lakh invested. So, and that again has given me over this period about, let's say, uh, 15 to 20% profit, about
Wow,
15 lakh profit in last, you can say, last 20 odd days or a month.
great, great. See, one
So,
thing, like, yeah, please continue.
no, that's it, please.
Yeah. One thing, it's like, no, your shale deal comes into picture. Now, you are an army man and you don't, see, somehow people may think, shall I invest my complete money in market or not? Because वो डर रहता है ना कि खो देंगे, but you invested because you had that type of belief. No, and that type of belief, the in market, who may big, the person who make it investment also sizable amount. Okay, if you invest 1 lakh, 2 lakh, you may not go at that level, correct? But if you invest a sizable one, then you can see a big profit. That has happened in your portfolio also. And sometimes it helps if you invest in a right stock, then you don't have to worry about it. And good thing is you have to think as a business and you are thinking as a business. You are not, as you told them, you are not putting in FDs and all that. It's not that you should not put it, but somehow you are taking this and that is rewarding you as such. Correct. And we can say that no, that type of risk taking ability also has helped you here. Somehow that is helping you and that is coming in your nature also. I can see that. Because the way you are transferring from one area to another, and that also I can say no, you are quite flexible in that. Correct.
Thank you.
So great, Amit. Now, what you are planning? So, what is the plan now? We are here. Okay. First of all, again, congratulations. I can see 15 plus, so at least around 20 odd lakhs you want. Now, what is your plan? How you are going to plan for future, and what you are thinking about? How you are thinking about your investment from here?
Um my plan is, as advised, uh, 17, 18 and main shares, having approximately 10 lakhs. So having a main portfolio of 17, 18 stocks and few satellite portfolio, which no everyone wants to try something. Just keep a small amount. So
Yeah.
have about 10, 15. So let's say about 1.8 to 2 crores going on to main portfolio, which will consist of 15, 16, maximum 18 stocks as advised by you in the different sectors, not more than 6, 7 sectors maximum. Because once the results come, you cannot focus really on everything. You want
Yeah,
to concentrate and see a company and live by it, review its result every quarter, whether to
correct.
add. So the focus and going into detail, if you learn to just analyze your 10, 15, 20 companies, that would be more than, and you always have a urge on various advice of other people to keep a small satellite portfolio with that. And
Yeah, yeah,
whatever your recommendations, and other thing is which I'm reached to reach silver module, few things, go through your classes. I think next 4, 5 months I'll get time and I will be able to go through all your modules and exit strategy, all that. And when the time comes, portfolio review is a must. Things which are
reviews
relevant today
themselves.
when you need to move out and invest somewhere, as you say that you come into this thing to make money. It is you got to sell which is outlived its value.
Correct,
And
correct.
my target has been not very high or low. That's 15 to 20, maximum 20. If I'm able to get that, I would be happy. Similar in that manner, I've designed my portfolio, which consists of large cap, mid cap, and
Small.
small cap. So it's mainly it's a balance, 60 odd percent large cap, and rest is mid cap
Yeah.
and small cap.
No, I know, once you get time, no, you can go through more. And but the good thing is your journey has started. And as and when no, you can we are associated with a lifetime. So don't worry about that. So no, you will get guidance and also and yes, start learning. And I think once you get retired also from your job, I think you will get enough time to go and study. But good thing is that you have participate when India is shining. Correct. Now you the election is near and also no the market is touching all that, so good thing you are invested at the right time. So good, any last say to all our members from your side, what do you think, whatever success you got it, at least financially, what do you want to say to members so that they can think about it more positively?
Uh, Positive is first aim should be clear why we joined this.
Yeah,
Aim is clear, it's to make money. There should be no, if the aim is not clear, they will always digress. Once
correct.
your aim is clear, the strategy method has been given by you. You
Hmm.
have to just follow that, believe in you, and implement.
Correct. Great, great. So thanks, Amit, for your support. And I know you are a quite active member. So no, we keep on learning and keep growing. Okay, great, great. So thanks, Amit.
Thank
Thank,
you.
thank
You have been
you.
really helpful, and it's really helped me a lot.
Thanks,
Whatever I
Amit.
was stuck for last 20, 25 years, people say a guru or a thing.
Mm,
I got that, and the visions coincided.
great,
Thank you.
great. So it's all about no वो लिखा होता है सब कुछ.
Thank
We
you.
bound to it. Okay, चलो.
Yeah.
Thanks. Yeah.
Thank you.
Wonderful.